Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima and your AC does not work, the AC compressor does not work, guys, stay with us. We will explain what can cause that and how to test, guys, the AC pressure switch. AC pressure switch, most people don't think about that, but it's super important, and if it doesn't work, your AC system will not work. So stay with us and we're going to explain how to test AC pressure switch on Kia Optima today. So this should, guys, work on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year probably 2006. Some things will differ, some things may be a little bit different depending on configuration, year build and all that stuff, but the concept will be very close and almost the same with some minor differences here and there. Let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima or your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you have a Kia Optima or other car you want to learn about fixing cars, we have, guys, that's our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 110 million people, guys. Amazing helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out as well. So let's start on it now. So specifically, guys, we have that 2013 Kia Optima. Let's explain how we can test the AC pressure switch. When you open the hood, guys, okay, if you come right here, that's the high pressure AC line next to the washer tank. You have that device, guys. On some models it may be at a different location, it may be somewhere else, it may be towards the back, so you need to always find it, but it usually looks like a sensor on the AC line. So that sensor is super important, and you wonder why. When you press the AC switch on your Kia Optima inside, guys, the engine computer needs to determine how much pressure you have in the AC system. That way it knows if you have Freon, so it can safely activate the clutch and that way activate the compressor, which is driven by the serpentine belt. Then you can see the AC compressor. Okay, it's that device right there. So how it finds out that? Okay, pretty simple, guys. Let's explain now. It uses, okay, the AC pressure switch. It's going to tell, okay, if actually you have pressure in the system. But how do you test it, guys? I always make sure the engine is off, plug the charging kit and add a little bit of Freon, or check if I have pressure in the system. If I have good pressure, I don't even need to add it, but gotta make sure that the system is not empty. So what do we do next? Okay, you go inside and you connect the computer to the OBD port. That's the computer that we're using, guys, and turn your ignition switch on. This computer is amazing due to the fact that it works on almost any car you can think of, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It can pay itself off in one-time use, guys. So what you can do with that computer, you can read codes, delete codes, see live data for every computer system, which makes it super, guys, powerful too. Now what you can do, okay, we're going, okay, well, I went to OBD, let me just exit. I accidentally clicked that one. You can see all the cars that you can work on. Kia, okay, is right here. So now I'm going to connect it quick, and while it's reading the VIN number, okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the AC system, guys. We have a special video that actually will teach you the top 5 reasons why AC does not work on Kia Optima. Okay, so please check it out. It's super convenient, and it's going to teach you how to fix AC system that does not work. Okay, it's ready, it loaded. So what do we need to do now? Control unit. From here we select engine. From engine we select live data. Okay, and here, guys, under live data, okay, you can see all the different parameters for your engine. Okay, everything. So you can see how powerful that tool is. And one thing you can see on that Kia Optima, up to 146, guys, parameters for the engine, and find out if things are working or not. And ours, you need to find where it says AC pressure. Ours, it says 27.58. And if I open it, I can even open a gauge like that. You can see it's not 0, so that's definitely working. And if I just add a little bit more, okay, just a little bit more Freon, you can see, and ours just jumped to 41.37. So you can see it's definitely detecting a pressure change. So the correct way to do it. Just make sure the system is not empty and make sure you have a reading from the switch. If you want to make sure that it's 100% accurate, but most of the times if they work, they work. When they fail, they just don't show anything. You need to connect high pressure gauge and compare the reading from the computer to the gauge on this line right here. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.